Roger.
I'm Rosis and I'm working on project allocation.
I'm Khushbu Lunawat. I work on project planning. I'm Srishti Dahakesi and I worked on supervising.
I'm Samir Gurung and I worked on project presentation.
From 1999 onwards, we started designing mobile espresso bars for the clients. For example, Costa and Ristresso. We just don't advise coffee though. We even help our clients by getting solid. Getting a solid catering expertise. The vision of our consultancy is to be the leading provider of talent management, executive coaching, leadership and team development. The mission of the consultancy is to be the partner with clients to provide integrated consulting services to attract, retain and grow talent, drive individual, team and organizational performance. The values of the consultancy is to believe in collaboration, respect, credibility, integrity, excellence, and accountability. Project detail: we have earlier worked with Costa Coffee and Barista Coffee.
You are the main player in UK coffee house industry. In 1990s, in late 1980s, your company was found in Shoreditch by Stephen Lester. In 1990s, it went up in fastest running companies in 18th position, and in 1999, Cafe Espresso joined the London Stock Exchange and was listed publicly in the Coffee House of Intimal.
Now, talking about the main issues of Cafe Espresso, the main problem is high labor turnover. The reason behind this is, as employees, they have been paid minimum wage and short-term contract between employee and cafe. The recruitment process is not well organized, as it's done through word of mouth. Performance appraisal is done on annual basis, due to which employees are demotivated. Due to loss in market share and high labor turnover, employees they have lost. Due to loss in market share and high labor turnover, the morale of existing employee has been quite low.
The solutions for the issues that your coffee shop is facing. First is employee satisfaction. If we conduct a survey on what are the working conditions the employees are facing, we could know the problems and we could even improve those conditions. After that is employee retention. Talking about employee retention, the problem is there because due to the short-term contracts, so if we provide the employees with the long-term contracts and other facilities, the employees would be more motivated to work in the company. Then the compliance, it talks about the safety, security about the employees. So we could even provide them with some terms like safety terms, providing insurance and all, which would also motivate employees to work more, focus more on the work. The strategic partnership, we could even provide employees with the shares, like if our company has been working, if our company does well, we could even entitle the good employees with the shares of the company, and the appropriate salary and financial incentives. As in today's world, everyone would like a high salary so that they could live a luxurious life. So the employees who have been working good, we could motivate them by increasing their salaries. And the performance appraisal. As in your coffee shop, the performance appraisal is done only in annual basis. So we could do that in a monthly basis or in 3 months, so that the employees are more motivated to work in your coffee shop.
Now I'm talking about the cost estimation. We have estimated the sum cost is and the time duration, just like the administrative cost is time duration for the 3 months and the cost is 1500. And same as resource cost, the time duration is 2 months and the cost is 1000, and just like rent, rent is for 5 months and the cost is 2000. And same as the training plan, the training web tools for training also, the time duration is 3 months and the cost is the 1500. And just like equipment cost, the time duration is 3 months and the cost is 1500. And the miscellaneous cost is for duration is for 2 months and the cost is 1000. As like total cost is 8500.
At last, we would like to conclude by saying that if the performance appraisal and proper training is provided to the employees, Cafe Espresso would regain its position to number 1.